Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Got myself another radio controlled car. This one cost me £1.50. Obviously it hasn't got a transmitter with it or a controller, but it is another Lamborghini Veneno, is it? Or Veneno? Not quite sure how you would pronounce it, unless you're Italian. Lamborghini, 40 megahertz. Can you actually see that on there? Scale 1/16. Veneno, used under license from Automobili Lamborghini, SPA, Italy. Made in China. It's got a serial number on there, 1726K. It's one of those ones that only likes absolutely fresh batteries, or at least absolutely fresh Poundland batteries. I've already tried it and it didn't work very well unless I put absolutely fresh batteries in. Might be better if I had decent alkali batteries, but I'm using Poundland's best heavy duty ones. So we'll switch it on and see how it goes. It's got rubberized wing mirrors, which is handy because they seem to break off quite easily on these toys. Fin on the back is a little bit flexible. Oh, I think that's because it's come off that side, it's still stuck on that side. Yeah, that's broken out. It should be in a little hole just there. Still. So it does work with this transmitter, one of my 40 megahertz transmitters. The only problem is left and right is reversed. So if I push that to the right, you should notice the wheel turns to the left. Oh, let's turn this one on as well. Okay, push right, wheel goes left. Left, wheel goes right. Which makes it a little bit difficult to remember how to steer it going up and down here, so we'll probably hit the sides a bit. Oh, and the headlights work, but there doesn't appear to be any tail lights. Yeah, that's me forgetting which way's left and right there. I think it might be better if I put some really good batteries in it, like swap it out for a LiPo or something. Because we really don't seem to be getting much range, because it's not the right controller, so that doesn't help. So it may not be a fair test of the car, not having the right controller. But it works, and it cost me £1.50. But it doesn't really work well enough with the steering reversed. Not a problem, I could take it apart, swap the steering over, and we'd be okay. It's quite a nice looker really, isn't it? Reasonable bit of detail in there, steering wheel. I can't quite, no, it hasn't actually got any dials in the dashboard there. Oh, it's got a bit of detailing up the middle there. Yeah, fun little car.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.